Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Daniel Adeoboye here. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can create an automated VTU website using just your phone. So you don't need a laptop, you don't need any complicated devices. With just your smartphone, the one you're even using to watch this video, you can use to create a functional and automated VTU website all by yourself. You don't need a designer, a programmer to do everything for you. In fact, you don't write a single line of code and everything will be done for you. So it's very important to watch this video to the very end and you take actions and you follow every step I'm going to show you in this video. Now, there are two things that is very important in order to create your own VTU website. So let me show you an example of a VTU website. So presently, this is my own VTU website. You can see it here. So I have my name here, and so it also support referral. So you can see refer here. So you can actually run affiliate on your VTU website. So this is an affiliate link for this user, and you fund your wallet, and you can actually do airtime, data, cable, bills, and wire and transfer as the case may be. It all depends on what you said. So everything will be fully automated. It means customer will come to your website, they place order to buy anything, and within few seconds they get it, and the money is deducted from their wallet here, and you keep making money. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know in this video. So if you are just joining us for the first time, click on the red button to subscribe and comment below if you have any question. I'll be glad to answer you. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the link below. So when you click on the link below, I'm going to call it get the resources here. So get all resources here. Just click on that link of get all resources here. You'll be automatically be brought to this my website here, moneybiz.com.ng, which is my blog post. So all you have to do is just to click on this link here. So you see these two links, and these are the two things that is very important. So you need a VTU script and template, and you also need hosting and domain. So the first thing you're going to get is going to get your script. Now this script is a piece of code that you don't need to, it's not written by you, it's written by a programmer, and this programmer has already written everything. So you don't need to write any extra code, and everything is going to go beautifully well. So just click on VTU script and template. So when you click on VTU script and template, it's just to take you to where you can actually get it for a little amount of money. Now the advantage of you getting the VTU script and template is that when you get it, it is yours forever. You can actually use it to create more VTU websites for your clients. You can use it to create for 100 clients, for 200 clients. You can call it any price you want to, so nobody is limiting you. So it's important to get the VTU script, and so that this is going to be the first thing, the fundamental things you need in order to create your VTU website. So the VTU script, for example, is actually for 15,000 naira, but I'm giving you to you watching this video for just 10,000 naira, and I told you earlier it is unlimited. You can use it unlimitedly on many websites, many subdomain, anyhow you want to use it. It is led for you. So the first you're going to do, you have to clear this website, is to click on add to cart. So to get the VTU script, add to cart. So you click on add to cart, it's going to take you straight to the checkout where you can actually get it on your phone. So I'm going to show you all the steps getting involved every step I want to show you in this video. So guys, just come here and put in your name. So let me choose another name. Let me just choose this person. Let me choose this Clinton, and then just come straight down here and just click on place order. All right, so I'm going to come down again and click on place order. So you can see something rolling here, and it's going to tell you that the order is being gotten paid. So as I told you earlier, this is the payment method and it's being secured by Paystack. So you have no worry whatsoever. It's protected by Paystack. So your card details, your bank details are saved. I don't have access to anyone of them, and nobody watching this video actually have access to it except if you give it out by yourself. So now you can see it here. As I told you earlier, it is secured by Paystack. So I'm going to pay with card. So you can pay with card with bank transfer, but this is actually a test payment. So it's not going to show me where I can put my card, but it's going to you yourself, it's going to be a live payment by the time you're watching this video. So you can put in your card and get the VTU script directly into your phone. So you get, as I told you earlier, I can use it on limited time. So I'm going to click on this. So you're going to put in your card details, and you'll be sent to where you can get OTP from your bank. Put your OTP, and you're able to complete your order, and the script will be downloaded to your phone. So I'm going to tell you the other steps you need to get involved in it. So guys, you can see that if you're using phone like my phone, you not see the place where you can actually get it downloaded. So just turn your phone to auto rotate. So mine is in auto rotate. You turn to auto rotate and bend it like this. Okay, bend it. So when you bend it, you see this VTU script here, this one here. So it's this one you're going to click on. So when you click on it, it will come to take it to where you can actually download it, or it's just get downloaded by itself automatically. You can see up here it is getting downloaded. So let me show you up here. You can see downloading file. So you're going to get downloaded file, and it's just 16.46 MB. And so all I have to do is to click on open. When I click on open, it's going to open. So now you have to extract it. What do I call it? You have to extract it. Now, to be able to extract, you need an application known as Z Archiver. So you can go to Google Play Store and download it. So I'm going to click on it. This Z Archiver, I'm going to click on always. So it's going to take me to where I can actually download it. So this is what I want to extract. So because it's actually a zip file. So this is what I actually need. Sure, you get this is what I actually need. So now that I've gotten into your phone, now let me show you how you can get the extractor, the Z Archiver. Okay, just come to your Google Play Store here and then go straight to, okay, just come here and search for this application. Let me do that for you guys. So Z, okay, is Z Archiver. You can see it here, Z Archiver. Just click on. So this is the spelling, Z Archiver. So it is this application you are going to download. This application you're going to download to your phone. Just click on download. So I've already downloaded my own. So immediately you download the VTU script and you've downloaded this Z Archiver, or better say download the Z Archiver first so that you can use it automatically to open it. So now it has automatically opened. You see something like this. So in the zip file, you see the about, you see the anything VTU.sql, you see the contact us, you see the recharge.zip, and you see the VTU home page. So everything is here for you to get started with. So guys, now we have done this. So when I just click back, you can see every other stuff that I have. So this is the this is actually the script that we downloaded. So this is the script we downloaded. So to get this place is going to be very easy for us as time moves on. So guys, you have done the first step. You have successfully downloaded your VTU script and you have extracted. So the next thing you are going to do, which is very fundamental. So let me come back to this website here. Let me just click on this logo here and come back to the blog post. When you click on the link below, to automatically brought you back here again. So now the next thing you need to know to get hosting and domain. So I have the cheapest and the most recommended domain I'm going to recommend for you guys. So if you are creating this video, just make sure you click on this link and get the recommended domain, because if you go and get any other domain, there's a probability that it may not work, because those domain might not be those hosting and domain may not be able to carry the functionality of the VTU script. So this one is the cheapest. I call it cheapest because it's very, very affordable. I actually get it and it's very affordable. So just click on this link of best and cheapest hosting and domain. Now your domain is the name of your website. For example, my own is moneybiz.com.ng. that is a domain, and this domain is hosted with an hosting company. So you get, so now my website connectenergy.com is hosted on Namecheap. So this is the recommended hosting and it's very, very affordable. So just come down here so you can see everything you need to get started with. So when you just get that, is this plan I want you to select. So select this plan. Now you select this plan just goes for 21 let's just approximately $22. So you get, and on this plan you are going to get this following. So let me tell you what you're going to get. You're going to get 20 GB SSD. SSD means space, and you can create 3 websites on this hosting, and you get a free CDN, and you can actually have a free domain like this. All these ones are free domains. So if you want to use let's say your name, let's say vtu.fun or vtu.host or vtu.online or vtu.site, if you are using any one of these, the domain will be free. So you get, it will automatically be free. So but if you want to get a free domain on .com, for example, so you have to come and get this plan here, which is approximately $36. So this one here, this $21 is approximately like 9,000 naira. So if you just pay 9,000 naira, you're going to get all this for free. And remember that you will be getting only this free domain for free. So if you are intending getting .com, you have to go and get the domain by yourself, and the domain for .com I think is approximately 3,000 naira. So I'm going to show you how you can do the two by yourself. Okay, so the first I go to just click on select plan. So I'm going to select this first one. Just on select plan, then you have to put in your domain name. Don't forget, your domain name is very, very important. So all these ones are free. So if you are using .fun, .online, .site, .host, .store, .space, .pw, .website, .center, .agency, .live, .cloud, .shop, .studio, they are all free. Okay, so according to them, they are free. So let's say you want to use let's say the one you can use here. Let's say you want to use .online. So you can maybe, let's say for example, I want to call it VTU .online. Let us say that one. Let's say you want to use VTU.online, which because the domain is free. Online. Okay, the online is not correct. Don't mind me. .online. Alright, so just do that and you just can see it rolling. So if it's available, to tell you it is available. Otherwise, to tell you it's not available. You can see that it has all been taken. So the one that's actually available it is VTU.agency, this is VTU.center, VTU.digital. But mind you, you have to be conversant that all this free that you can see that is free. It's only free for the first year. Every other year you'll be paying $22.48. So, but I'll also advise you to just go for VTU.com or anything. So let me call it VTU. Okay, let me just show you guys. Of course, this is a test. So bestvtu.com. Let's call it bestvtu.com, and let's see if that is available also. So let's see, you just have to test it and check until you get the one that is available. So guys, you can come, when you come up here, you can see it's telling us that it's not available. I don't think it's available, because if it's available, you say you get it as connect. All right, so let's see, this one too is not also available. So we are only limited to select one out of all these. So guys, what I would advise you to do, it is to actually, when you are now here, just forget about this and come back to this menu button. Here, click on this menu button. When you click on the menu button, just locate hosting, click on hosting and click on shared hosting. So when you click on shared hosting, it's going to take you to this place. Of course, it's going to be, and this one is going to be more cheaper. All right guys, so this is going to be more cheaper. What did I say? This one is just more cheaper. So you are getting this one presently for just $2 every single month by doing monthly. But I would advise you to go for yearly. So go for yearly, because don't go for monthly, because when you go for monthly, it's still going to be the same thing that is going to give to you. So for example, if you click on monthly, so this is the one for monthly. But when you click on yearly, you'll see this per month. In a yearly basis, you'll be getting $2. So actually, this is what I click on there. I click on this one here. So just click on the link below and follow the step I've shown you in this video, just to get things better for you, because I think that this one is more cheaper and it's still more straightforward, because this one does not limit you to some certain domain. You can actually do everything you want to do. Now mind you that the first year you are going to pay the same dollars that you're going to pay initially. This first year you're going to pay $22, approximately $22, and then every other single year you'll be renewing for $42 or $43. So $21. Let's check what is $21. So let's check 20. Let's call it $22 in naira, and let's see the amount you are actually going to pay. So I'm going to search here $22. Okay, $22. Let's put $22 to naira. So you for now you'll be paying 9,146 naira 50 kobo, because dollar at presently. So let's see how much is $1, because presently $1 is just 415 in the market presently now. So this means that you'll be paying this amount for $22, and they might include charges. So let us say you want to pay, you cannot pay anything more than $23,000, which is approximately 9,600. So you guys, so let's come back to what you are getting. So, and you are going to get this for free. So of course you get a domain name, but this domain name is limited to this one, and I won't advise you. So just come here and click on get started, select this first one and click on get started, because that is the cheapest so far. So then now you have done that, just click on new domain. So you see this one option here, new domain name. So is this one, I leave it the way it is. Then just come down here. All right, let's see new domain name. Okay, but if you have an existing domain name, you can actually do it. If you want, if you have an existing domain, just click on this second one, existing domain name. But since you want to have a new domain name, so you click on new domain name there and leave it as new purchase. Then just come down here and click on add to. Okay, let's click on this one, search my domain name. Let's see what it's going to do. bestvtu.com. Okay, bestvtu Niger. I'm just giving a name, random name, VTU. All right, this my keypad is suggesting some things for me I don't want. Okay, VTU .n not dot, you can't use .ng, that is .com. So you can see it here. So when you just search for, find the domain name. So for example, I'm using bestvtung.com, and I'm going to get it for approximately $9. So you get approximately $9, and $9 should be something around 4,000 naira or thereabout. So but if you want to use bestvtu.fund, you're going to get it for this amount. Now the reason why I want you to go for .com, it is more better and more more appealing. So for the first year now, you're going to pay approximately $9 here. then you'll be renewing it for approximately $14. So for $14 should be something less than 7,000 naira or thereabout on a yearly basis. But I can bet it with you that even before you actually complete a whole year, you have made more than the money, even times 10 to 20 of the money, depending on your marketing strategy on how you can get things started. Just click on connect. I'm going to click on connect because you've selected best VTU NG for the sake of this tutorial, and so that is that. So after that, so the total amount of money you are going to pay now, it is actually $31. So let's see what is the naira equivalent of $31. So let me just come back to this thing I'm searching here and let's put $32. So it means you'll be paying 13,304 naira for your domain and your hosting, and this is all you are going to involve in paying. And mind you, with your domain, with this domain that are gotten, this your domain and hosting, you can create 3 websites. Means you can create a website for 2 extra clients, charge them as you want, and you'll be charging them on a yearly basis, telling them that they have to renew their domain and hosting on a yearly basis. So they'll be paying you money. I can use that money to take care of all this on a yearly basis. So you get, just click on add to cart. So when you click on add to cart, it's going to just roll, and it might tell you to log in and do every other thing you want to do. Alright, basically, let's see what it's going to tell you. So it's going to tell you that you can do every one of these. So just leave it the way it is. Domain privacy, it is for 1 year subscription is enabled. So it's just free. So domain privacy, according to them, is free forever. Just leave the way they are. Do not add any other thing, because if you add any other thing, it's going to increase. So just come down. So don't enable any one of these. Just leave them the way they are. Don't enable any one of these. Leave them the way they are. Just come down here and click on confirm order. So when you click on confirm order, it's going to take you to the next place. Okay, and it's going to tell you to log in. Automatically, it's going to prompt you to log in. So I have an account with them. Hopefully it's going to bring out the account. Okay, it didn't bring it out. So let's see. Let me try to locate my account. Maybe if I can still remember the password. So I'm going to click on sign in and continue, and let's see if I'm going to go in. All right, so I am in, but it's asking for 2-factor authentication, because I actually do that. So it's going to tell me to just put in my verification code or send an email to me. But if I was getting in for the first time, you have to actually create an account. So you actually create an account. So let me check if the mail has arrived. So there is the mail. So let me check into my mail and locate the verification code they sent to me. So for the first time you are logging in, it's going to be an activation code, as the case may be. So let me just locate this verification code here. I'm going to copy it and come back to where I am here and verify that it is me. So it means that nobody else can actually log in into my account. So I'm just going to paste it. I'm going to paste it there and click on submit. So when I click on submit, it's going to take me to the next thing here, which is the continuation of what I'm actually trying to get domain and hosting. So you're going to give me every of my details. So use default card. So I have a default card I've already set before. So for example, you want to use a default card, yours is going to be add new card. So you just put the name of your card number, you fill in all these details. So just write I'm registering on the click on this, I'm registering on behalf of a company, and then put in all your details. So remember this card for you. So you want to pay with paper, you can pay with paper. Then when you are done, just come down here and click on continue. So automatically it's going to complete your order, but I'm not going to get it because I've already gotten my domain and my hosting. So guys, let us now move to the next thing. Now I've gotten your domain and your hosting. Then you get the domain and hosting, you will receive email from them confirming your domain and hosting. Within a few minutes, everything is going to get set up for you. So immediately it gets set up for you, now have access to your cPanel. So I have access to my own cPanel here. So what I'm going to do is going to log into my cPanel. So your cPanel means control panel. From your cPanel is there, you're going to upload your VTU script and every other thing. So it's important to watch this. You take this part very, very seriously. Sure you understand, guys. So for you to get a VTU, to get this your cPanel, automatically when you finish paying for domain and hosting, they will send mails to you and tell you how you can log into your cPanel. And if for any reason you're unable to log into your cPanel, probably because your IP address is changing, just email them. They will send a subdomain of the cPanel to you. So you can just click on it. And one big thing about it that when you email them, they answer you within few minutes. Just few minutes, they will answer you. So you get. So you have no problem whatsoever. So if you're unable to log into your cPanel, just send an email to that email that you need to send to you concerning. Just reply the email that you're having problem logging into your cPanel, that they'll just give you some available solution. Click on the one of subdomain and it automatically be bought here. So just click on login, because I actually face problem with my own cPanel. So now that I've gotten everything started, so the next thing you're going to do is to locate your file manager. So you get, just come here and search for file manager. file manager. Just search for file manager, so it's going to pop up. You click on file manager, and from your file manager you can be able to upload your VTU script. So you understand, it's very important. So I've gotten some couples of subdomain here, so I'm going to put it. So let me just turn my phone around to a desktop site, so like I can zoom in and zoom out. So you get, so you locate your VT, you locate your domain. So literally, if this is your first time of just getting a domain, all you have to do is to click on this public underscores HTML. But I'm actually doing my own on a subdomain. So again, I'm doing mine on a subdomain. So I'm just going to locate my subdomain here. Okay, so this one I'm using VTU.connectenergy.com. Sorry, .connectenergy.com. All right, guys, that's correct. So now you are there, just click on it. So yours, remember, yours going to be in public underscores HTML, as I show you before. Click on public underscores HTML, and you also locate something similar to this. So it's important. How I say it's very important. You take conversant of everything I'm telling you in this video. So now that I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this upload. You can see it here. Click on this upload because we want to upload our VTU script. I'm going to click on upload. So it's going to take me to where I can actually upload my VTU script, and the maximum you can actually upload at the time is 19.19 MB, as you can see it here. Just click on select file and click on download. So it depends on, so we're trying to locate our VTU script. So you got here, I'm trying to download it, then locate it. So now this is the VTU script we uploaded, but mind you, it is in zip file, and because it's in zip file, you have to unzip it and locate the zip. Now I actually compress the template and the VTU here, so don't click on this one. Do not click on this one. All you have to do is to come back to click on this on menu bar here and locate this your Zen sender. You can see it here. Locate this your Zen archiver. So when you click on your Zen archiver, it's going to take you to the app, to Zen archiver application here. Then you click on download, because that's where I'm putting my own file. So it depends on putting your own post file. But if I download this straight, it should be on your download. So just locate this script here. You can see it here, VTU script. So I've chosen the wrong one. Sorry. Just cancel it. Cancel that. So now there's one thing I want you to do before we actually come to all this place. It is for you to click on them, minimize it, and come to your this Zen archive by itself. And this here that you have VTU script, click on it, so you get, and extract it. Just click on extract here. So you want to extract it to this place. So now we have already extracted our VTU. This is our general VTU script. So this is the general VTU script that has it as this way here. So these are VTU script, image, GNF here. But the one we want to upload is recharge.zip. And the last one want to upload is the one of anything. So you just locate it. So the first one to upload now is recharge.zip. So this is the one we want to upload into the back end of our WordPress. So you grab. So please, it's important you watch this video. Let I say, it's very, just take note of everything I'm doing. So now I've done that. Just click on select file, click on download, and it's going to take you to this place again, but you don't need to do this place. So but now you can just actually search for it if you want to. So since we have already extracted this, so it's now here. So this is the first one that you want to upload. It is this one, recharge.zip, we want to upload. So if you did not get the previous step, just try to watch this video again and get it. It's very straightforward, so you understand. Then click on recharge.zip. Is this one that you want to upload? So it's going to get uploaded. You can see it's getting uploaded. So let me just pause this video so I can just fully upload. All right, guys, so I believe you are learning a lot from this video. All right, guys, so it has fully downloaded. You can see it has written complete, so it must show this green and it's going to write complete. So now that I've done that, all you have to do is just to cancel. So you can just cancel this part, so you get. So I'm just going to cancel this part. Just click on this one here, or just click on back, anyone you want to do. You see the same thing. So if I click on back here, it's going to cancel it automatically. Then just come back straight to this this home page here and just refresh it. See that you can just drag it down to refresh. But if it's not refreshing, click on this 3 button up here. So let me show you where the 3 button is. So yeah, just click on this 3 button up here. You can see it up. The arrow has covered it. Hope you can just see. Just click on 3 button. Then click on this last one here. This option here. Click on this option up here. So let me show you. This one you're going to click on. So that's your refresh. Just click on it, refresh. So it's going to refresh this particular place. So when it gets refreshed, you will see everything. It's going to come up like this for you again. So don't be afraid. If it happens like this, don't be scared. It's just trying to misbehave in its own way. Just locate the domain again. I told you again and again. Your domain is going to be your public HTML because it's the first time of you getting it done. So now you can see the script we have uploaded, which is recharge.zip. So just click on recharge.zip, just click on it once, and you want to extract it. So since you are click on it, what you want to do is extract. So you can just click on it, you can click on it, press your hand on it. So these options going to pop up. So this is what I actually did. I'm going to click on it, and this option is going to pop up. So you get. So what you want to do is extract. Just click on this extract. So when you click on this extract, it's going to bring up option for you that do you want to extract it here. But so just leave it like that and click on extract file. So you are going to extract all the VTU, the code in the script. You want to extract it here. It's going to be in this for you. Just click on close, and everything is going to get done. All right, so you can see this is the folder of where the VTU, everything in the code is in this new recharge, new top recharge. So when I've done that, just click on this recharge.zip again and just delete it. Literally just click on this one, so, and locate delete. Okay, let's see, where is delete? Or just push your hand and press it again and you see delete. So just click on delete and just delete it. Just click on skip and extract and permanently delete. The reason why I'm doing this because if you don't do it, anybody can get access to it and download it. It's very simple. You can just go to your website and just put recharge.zip. Exactly, if you know that you're using this one, and they'll just download your VTU scripts and without your anonymity. So you have to just delete it. So now you have deleted it. So everything you need to know is now in this place. So the next thing I want you to do is to click on it again, click on this one again, and what I'm going to do now this time around is to actually open it. So when you click on it here, it might not get open for you. Just come to this side here, to do the side there, and click on it. When you click on it, it's going to get open for you in this case. So what I want to do is I want to move everything from this folder straight to the back to where I want them to be. So what I'm going to do is also click on select one, and then you click on this select all up here. You can see select up here. I openly hope you can see it here. This select all, just click on this select all. You're going to select one, then click on select all. Okay, all right, this unselect, sorry, that's unselect. Let's see select all. So this select all, just click on that. Let's see, I think you should be able to select everything at once. Okay, all right, I'm trying to select all. I don't know why I'm unable to select all. Okay, this is not what I want. Unselect. All right, guys, I'm just trying to select everything, but if for any reason it's unable to select, don't worry, there's no cause for alarm. So let's just leave it the way it is, because I'm unable to select. I want to select everything and move it back, but if I want to be doing them, okay, thank God I've achieved it. So what I click on was this one, select all here, and everything gets selected. So you get, so now that I'm getting selected, just come here and click on move. So let's locate where move is. So up here you can see where the move button is, move here. So just click on this move. We want to move everything away from this folder. Just delete this new recharge and leave it to your own domain name. Then click on move file. You can see move file there. So all this file is going to move from this place and go to move backward. So just click on this place. You can actually click on back. Okay, you can click on back here. So let me tell you what I'm trying to do. You can click on this back, or you click on this upward next level. So let me just click on back, so you can see every of our file is now in this place. So you understand, it's now in this place. So now they are good to go. Now you have done this one, the next thing you're going to do is actually go to another step. So I'm going to go back to my home page. You can just click on your home page. So when you click on your logo, the logo, okay, if you click on this logo up here, this is the logo I mean. When you click on this logo up here, this logo here is going to take you to your home page again, but I'm just going to come back to my home page directly from this place. So the next thing you're going to do is actually upload your call it SQL file. So just locate my WHP, my look at it, sorry about that. Okay, you have to upload your PHP my admin, but that's not the first thing you're going to do. The first thing you're going to do now is to create SQL database. So this is the SQL database you are going to create. Just search for mine, it's going to appear for you. So click on it on the database. I'm going to create a database, and it's very important to take note of this database. So you're going to call the name of a database, give it a name. So I'm going to call it my own VTU VTU2. So you can call it any name, but mind you, any name you are calling it, you have to save it. You have to take a conversant of it. So I'm going to call this the name I want to call it. So I'm going to click on create database. When I click on database, so this is my database name. So you have to save this on your phone, or you write it down, but I always advise you to just save it on your phone. So I'm going to just copy it like this, copy it, and save it somewhere. So I'm going to save it on the WhatsApp contact. Okay, I'm going to locate one of my WhatsApp contacts here and just save it there just for the sake of this video. So I'm going to save it with one of my brother here, my beautiful brother here. So I'm going to copy that, and okay, let me just call it DP name. So I'm not going to send it, don't worry. So DP name, just for that. So I'm going to paste it DP name, and the next thing I'm going to put is let me call it DP password. Let me just call it, okay, just put this on up here. Let me call it DPW and PW. So I'm going to create a password. I'm going to come back here and click on go back. So when you click on this go back, it's going to automatically go back again. Now I've already created a database, so you locate this. If you want to modify, you can modify, but that's not what I want to do here. So now I've created a database. The next thing you are going to do is to actually add up database. So you're going to add user. All right, so the username of this our database that we choose there before, okay, let's just call it VTU2. So the username, just add the first, that first thing that you wrote there is the same thing you're going to write here. So the username is VTU2. So where is the user here? Okay, let's see. Let me locate the VTU. So this is the VTU2, that database name. So it's in small letter. Okay, the V is in small letter. Let me also make it to be in small letter here, just to make things to be organized. So you can call it anything. You can call it what I'm actually doing here. Then I'm going to put in a password that you should not forget. So let me call it VTU, and your password should be wonderful. So I'm going to call this one VTU 2022. So VTU 2022. So its time is already successful. So I think I'm going to go with that, or you can just use password generator. Let me just click on password generator. It's going to generate a password for me, and you can see. So all I'm going to do is just to copy everything here. I'm going to copy this password generator and click on I have copied and save it. Then I'm going to click on use password. So it's going to automatically generate for me. So the password that I've actually copied, I'm going to come back to where I'm saving it here, and then sorry, and paste it. So this is my password. I'm going to paste that. So the next thing I'm going to do, okay, let me change this my keyboard to something else. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually locate is to continue. Okay, now I've done that. Just click on I'll be the password, then just click on create user. You understand? Click on create user. So now this is your user. This is your user again. You have successfully created a user, which is VTU2. Don't forget the user. So let's say that your database name should be also similar with your username, your VTU username, and your MQL. You can actually use what I'm doing. Just follow what I'm doing. Do what I'm doing. You understand? I'm going to cancel it and click on go back. Now I've already created a user for a database, so I'm going to connect the two of them together. Just come down here, and so now I'm going to add a user to a database. So I'm going to click on this place here and check my VTU2, which is my user that I've created. This is where I created the user. I just went down and I located the database. Then my database 2 is VTU2. So I'm going to connect two of them together. I'm going to add them up together. So I'm going to click on add. So adding means you are connecting the two together. I just hope you're getting everything I'm doing there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is actually give them all privilege. Just click on all privileges here and just click on make changes. So when you click on make changes, you're automatically giving the user access to the database. That's what it actually means. Just do everything I'm doing here, so the thing has been automatically saved for you. So guys, we are almost done. Just when that has been done, just click on go back. When you click on go back, just click on this your logo here. I told you, just click on this this logo. When you click on this logo, it's going to take you straight to the back end here. So you're going to take you to the home page of your cPanel. Now the next thing you're going to do is to search for PHP. Okay, so this is I want to locate. This one you're going to locate. So PHP my admin. So click on PHP my admin. When you click on PHP my admin, it's going to tell you that the system is directing you in a movement. So I have some, we have already created a database. I've created everything, so you'll be brought to this place. So just click on this thing here. Just click on this side here. So when you click on this side here, it's going to give you access to all these parts here. So now just locate the database you have created. So this database you have created, this one here, you can see it here, is this one that we just created recently here. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to load for you here, and it's automatically open. Just click on this part again here, because I'm actually using phone. That's why everything's like this. If it's on the laptop, it will be more easier. Just click on this arrow here, come back to this place here. Then the next thing you are going to do is to actually keep pressing this part. Just keep pressing this part. So let me just put a small arrow. Just keep pressing this part, or better say, let me use an arrow to point, I think, so that you can see it clearly. Is this part I'm clicking on, just to have access to other parts of what I want to do. Sure you understand? So just click on this and click locate import. So we want to import SQL file. So just click on import. When you click on import, it's going to load like this. Just come here and click on choose file. Shey get, just click on choose file. This choose file I'm going to select, click on choose file. So when you click on choose file, locate your download. It's very simple. Locate your download now. You can actually search for anything. You know, we've already extracted our file. Just search for anything. So just search for anything. Let's search for that and see if it's going to work. All right, that one does not work. First, don't mind them. It does not. Okay, so I just search for anything and it comes up. So this is what we want to upload. This is the QL file we want to upload. Remember, you have already extracted it. Remember, I've extracted my zip file. The zip file I downloaded from my VTU script, I've extracted it. So just click on this, click on it. It's going to come like this. Then just go down. Don't click on any other thing. Just click on this go. So this is the go you are going to click on. So when you click on go, it's going to automatically uploading your SQL file. Now this SQL file is the table, the password, everything. Is an important part of your VTU website. So that has been uploaded successfully. You can see uploaded successfully. So guys, we are done with this part. That's everything you need to do about this part. Now let me now take you to the next part, which is very important. So I'm going to close this and locate my cPanel back. So if you want to go to your cPanel, you see the options. It depends on the browser you are using. Actually, you see all the options. So I'm going to search for file manager. Let's search for file. Just you search for file, it's going to come up as file manager. Just click on file manager. We want to locate back the stuff that we uploaded, you know, again and again. Yours is going to be on public_html, since you just got your domain, but I'm creating my own on a subdomain. So this is the one I'm using, VTU to connect NID. Then I'm going to come here and locate std general. Look at it here, std general. So you click on the std general, press your hand on it and locate, let's see, locate edit. Where's the edit? All right, so it's not editing. So what I'm going to do is to come to this side here, use this one, locate your VTU general. Where is it? Click on it. So when you click on VTU general here, so it's going to give you access to everything here. So what you actually need to get to edit here is connection. So you can see this first second is this one you're going to click on. This one that they wrote connection is the one you're going to click on. Just click on it. Then when you click on it, you can actually push your hand on it. The edit option is going to show. So you can see the edit option. Click on the edit option. It's going to bring this part for you. That are you sure you want to edit it? Just click on edit. So now this part is very important. It's very important. We want to connect our database together. So let's see. We want to connect them together. So here we are. So your database username. So the database username, the one we copy to this place here. So I'm just going to copy my database username. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to write copy. So I'm going to copy it and come back here, and this one that they go to root. So you have to be careful because I'm using phone. You know, it's going to kind of want to be misbehaving. So all right, guys, just come back, and after I've deleted it, come back to this place. All right, so click on it. Sorry, it's going to be misbehaving, as I told you earlier. So you're going to put it in between that. Then your password, you come back here. But if you know your password, you can just copy instead of you doing all this one again. But I'm just going to, since our password is this one, I'm going to copy it and come up here and put in within the password. So just put it within the password. Okay, put it there. And then our database username, remember we use the same name for database username and database name and username. So I'm going to copy this one again. So if you have made any mistake, please, it's important you watch this video again to get it, so that you don't have any problem whatsoever. So this is very easy. Just follow everything I'm showing you here. I'm going to copy the database username and database name and come here, come to this place. Okay, this place, let's see, it is here. I want it to be, and paste it. So now we have gotten that. So that is not all. You have to do every other thing. So all this one here, you have to change it. So this one to database name. Let's change the database name, since I already have it on my system, on my plate here. I'm just going to copy and select it. So it's not going to go. I don't know why it is misbehaving. So I need to copy it again. So just copy it again here, but copy my database username, copy, and then come up here. So this is what I want to change. I'm going to paste it. Then my username too, I'm going to just change the username to the one we have been using. All right, guys. So I think you can just copy from this place. If it's instead of you going there, going back again and again, just copy and come here. Okay, come in between these two dots, in between the two dots. Please take note of where I'm putting them. So that is that one. Then the password, since we already have it here, you can just copy it. Copy it. Let me just copy to this place. This is the password. Copy. Then this Samuel 20209. You're going to edit it. Just take note on what I'm doing and just change it to that. So that is what you're going to do. Then you also have to do it for this recharge website too. This second one here, you have to change the password. So I'm going to change the password. Let's see. I'm going to change the password. So no, it's only this one I want to change the password to from. All right, so this Samuel, I'm going to just be carefully only select this password. Don't include the two brackets. So you get just going to click on paste. So the password is going to it did not even change. Don't mind this. Let me copy the password again. So just copy the password from this place. Okay, then I'm going to click on copy. Then come to in between these two brackets, these two columns, and paste it. You need that something happened here. The column has left this place, so I have to return back the column. So I've returned back the column. Now that I've done that, so the username too. Let me come and copy the username here. So just copy the username. So guys, it's important I hope you are carefully observing what I'm doing here. Just copy that. Click on copy. Then change the username here. Just change it. Don't take away the two bracket, because if you take away the two bracket, it's not going to work so fine. So I'm going to copy it again because I think I need it again. Just copy the username, click on copy, then put it in this place. So now that we have done that, so let's see. Okay, just click on paste. So it's going to pop. It did not change. Alright, I've pasted it. Now you've done all these parts, so it's also important you continue doing other parts. So you just come down, this your website email, change it to your own website email. Just call it, I'm going to leave my own at info at VTU2. That is what I'm using, VTU. So you're going to be info at your own domain name, VTU2 dot. So I'm creating my own on a subdomain. Don't forget that the reason why I'm doing this is I'm creating my own on the subdomain. So you put in your own domain. So you get so this one too, website name. So just put in the name of your website here. So I'm going to put in the name of my own website here. So put in your own website name here. So my own website name here, I'm calling it VTU2 dot connect. So connect nig.com. Then this one here, this one that you have your website itself. So just copy from this place. So you are able to delete from this place. This place that they put local host. Just delete that local host and put in your own website name. So my own website name is VTU2 dot connect nig.com. Okay, .com. Then take away this slash that's in this place. Take it away. All right, so here to your key. Let me just copy. Okay, if I haven't copied, I still need to, don't mind them. Let me just copy this place from this place. Copy and paste it in this place also. So this is your key too. You have to be your website. Sorry about that. You have to be your website. So I'm going to do it to this place. All right, guys, to this place here, and click on paste. Then take away this last slash. Take away last slash. Now I've done with that. The next thing I'm going to do also to change this one. Although this one is optional, I will just change it just to make everything go fine. Here is anything to design. Just write your own the domain name to VTU. Put in your domain name, please. Everything I'm putting VTU2.connectnig.com is your own domain name you put there. So you get. I hopefully hope you understand everything I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to change this one too. So I'm just going to delete everything in this place. I'm going to delete it and no reply at your domain name too. So I'm using VTU2 .connect nig.com. Hello guys, so that is everything. We have successfully done everything you need to do. Let us have a look on it again. So if there's any error, you will know. You just have to come here and correct the error. So now you have done, just come up here and click on save changes. So it's going to go like this, and it's going to save your changes for you. So you can see up down here, it's going to put, it has gone. So guys, let's check our VTU website. Let's check it if it is now active or not. So I'm going to come to my domain, come to my search icon here and search for VTU 2.connectnig.com and click on this search arrow. So let's see. You can see that our VTU script has automatically gone through. So clap for me. All right, guys, I'm just on a lighter mood. Just follow every step I've showed you, and you automatically get your VTU and website like this. So you just put your domain name and start for the domain name. It will automatically be bought here. So I can actually log in if I want to, but we'll come back to this part later on. Now that we have done with VTU script, the next thing we are going to do is to actually create the front end of our website. So I'm going to come back into my cPanel. So this is my cPanel here. I'm going to come back to this my cPanel and just locate. If you don't want to do anything, just come down. What I'm trying to locate is it's always down here. So you get so just come to this place and search for WordPress. Look at it. Just click on WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, we want to upload WordPress so you can design the front end of our website. So just click on here, and so the next thing you're going to do here is to click on install now. Just click on install now. So it's going to tell you that where do you want to install it. So you just select the domain you want to install it. So I want to install my own on VTU 2. So since your own is just the first time and you have only one domain, you see only one domain, you can just select and put. So I'm going to select this domain name. I want to put it there, and literally just do that. Make sure that there's nothing in this place. So you get, make sure there's nothing in this second place. So then just change this name, this site name, or you can do this later on, but let me just do it here. Change your domain name, so site 2. So if your name is best data, just write best data. So you understand, they just come down, like then your admin name. So change your admin name. So I want to change my own to admin name to VTU 2. So you can change it to any name that you can remember. So it's not a must to use VTU 2. So you get, so my password, I'm going to change the password. So let me just put this password that I've been using here. Let me just use it there again. Don't worry, if anything happens and you lose a password, there's a way we can get it back again. You can just contact me. I want to show you how to do that. So all right guys, so just click okay, I think my phone is now in 2 now. So just put in the password we copied. I'm going to tell you that it's actually good. So now that I've done that, just come here and click on, then just go down. Don't click any other thing, just go down. So your email installation details, I'm going to put in my email here. So one other thing I want you to take note of, just come up again, and that one is very important because if you lost your password, is that one you're going to use to set it. So this place, let it be your own mail. So I'm going to put in my own personal mail. Then just come down here. Now you have done that, just click on install. So they tell you that password must be greater than 80. So it means that the password we even copied is not so sweet. Don't mind them. So let me just change this password. They say it must be greater than 80. So let me put this in. Okay. Let me hide this so you guys will not see it. Alright, so I'm just put in my password. Alright, just give me a few minutes to do that. So you can see now it's now 100. Just come down here, put in your password that you can remember. So all these passwords you can write it down so that you can remember. Just click on install. So when you click on install, let me just write save here. So it's going to do all the magic for you, and let's see, some error occur. Installation cannot proceed because the existing file already exists. All right guys, so the reason why this cannot proceed is because this file already exists on your this index file. So guys, so this part, I think we need to do one correction. This index is already existing. So there's only one possible solution, and that possible solution is going to take a little minute to do. Just because of this, I want you to just follow me in this video so that you not make this mistake. So it means I have to go back to my cPanel. So here I'm back to my cPanel. I have to move all this again, guys. Don't worry. I have to move all this again. So I just come back to your cPanel because of this index that we have is already on our the index is already exists on WordPress, and you cannot have two things that exist otherwise. And by trying to override it, it's going to affect our script. So guys, all you have to do is to come to click on your domain to public HTML, and all you have to do again is to copy everything here back into the into another folder. I'm going to call it into another folder. So what I'm going to do is just to click on this place here. The reason why I'm doing all this is because this index.php file has already exists, and if we try to maneuver, it's going to affect our website on the long run. So I'm just going to come here and click on select all. So you get, click on select all. So hope you know how we get to select all. This select all. Just click on this select all, and then so this select all. The only thing I don't want to select. Okay. So click on select all, then just come here and locate move again. So click on move. So you want to move it to a folder. So I'm going to put an underscore here. I'm going to put an underscore, just put VTU. So we want to create a folder name as underscore VTU and click on move file. So it's going to tell you that, oh, this cannot be read because VTU sources may not be moved from this and that. So guys, now that one is not going, the one I want you to move it to, just let's unselect everything and let's create a folder. I think we need to create a folder. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to click on folder here, and let's call the folder VTU. Let me use small letter VTU as the folder. Just click on create new folder. So when you click on create new folder, now it's going to go fine for every one of us. So guys, just click on instead of we moving it one by one, I'm going to click on one like that and click on select all, then click on this VTU. Okay, I don't really want to move this one with it, so let's see, unselect, no. So let me click on it again. Let's click on select all. All right, select all. All right, guys, I think we need to move this one by one because of this VTU. So let's try it if it's going to go. So click on move and give underscore VTU. Let's see, let's see move file if it's going to go. Well, it's not going to go because what we are moving is just in two ways. Wow, it actually went. All right, guys, so we actually move it. So when you click on this, is the folder that we now have now. When you click on this VTU folder, you can see that everything is now moved to the VTU folder. So we'll not have any problem again. Now that I've moved it, we need to do one small change, just very small change. And the small change is you come back and click on, so just come back to this place down here. Hope you can get I'm doing. You know, this part I show you, I would not to show you, it's just some technical issue, but since I need to show you so that if you encounter it, you know what to do. Just click on general again, std general, and come back to connection. Click on connection here and click on edit. So you can just press hand on it and you click on edit. So it's going to bring this part for you. Just click on edit and we're going to edit it. You know, we've done a little change to the folder. So now to your web, just locate this your website name, and then this your website. Just let's see. Okay, just to do all this. Just put an underscore and put a slash here. Where is it? Up. Can't find it. Okay, yeah, it is. Put a slash VTU. So you get, just put a slash VTU. This one too, put a forward slash VTU, and I think that's all you need to do. And then just come up here and click on save change. The reason why I put forward slash VTU is because we have already changed the folder. So if I come back to our website here and I refresh it, so you can see it's telling me click on error. So let me just edit this and edit this first name and click on send. So this is what is giving me now my VTU, because I actually put it as a folder. So let's take care of this, shall we? All right, so okay, I'm seeing Chromes. Let's come back to Chromes. Here and let's see. So where are we on this connection? Connect. So the next thing, wow, what we did not show. That was the problem. All right, guys, so let's do it again. Underscore, where is it? The underscore I press. Where is it even falling? Hope it's not falling in the wrong place. Okay. Then forward slash, and why am I calling underscore? Forward slash VTU here to forward slash VTU. Alright, so I think that should work fine now. It's there now. Let's see, is there any other thing we need to edit again so that the error will not appear? Click on save changes. So what is it telling us? Error. the file does not exist for the account. Oh, wow. Let's see what is the problem. What is the problem, guys? So let me delete this, and I'm trying to locate where the problem is. So it's on this folder, and the folder is known as VTU. Okay, let's see VTU. All right, let me just do this one again. Let me put forward splash. Sorry guys for this. I'm trying to locate where the issue is from. So let me save it. Let's save it again and see what it's going to bring up for us. This file does not exist for the account. Okay. Oh, let's see. I'm trying to locate where the error is coming from. Alright guys, so to solve the problem that we have in the index when we are trying to upload our WordPress, so I want to move all these files to this new top recharge. So just click on one of them here and locate, come up here and locate select all. So when you click on select all, we are going to move it to new top recharge. So you get new top recharge. So just click on move up here, and it's a folder. So you get it's a folder. So is a folder new top recharge. So this is the new top recharge you want to move it to. You can just copy it here if you want to copy it, or you press it yourself if you want to. So I'm going to put underscore new. Let's type it. New top charge. Okay, CHARGE. So new top recharge. Let me just select only the new top recharge. Just copy it, right, and click on move file. So we're going to move all the file. So up failure are the same. It's going to move. So it has successfully moved. So when you click on the file, let's open the file. So this is the folder now. I've moved it to a new folder, which is new top recharge. So now that I've already moved it, the next thing you are going to do, so if you come to your website here, alright, so I have my website already. This function is telling us as a new top recharge that is where the folder is. When you click on it here on your website, everything is going to just tell you not successful. So guys, let's take care of this. Let us come back to our file manager here, our cPanel rather, then locate ATD general. Just come here and click on ATD general, click on it so that you can be able to open it, because it is also a folder. Then locate connection, press it down to click it, and click on edit. So when you click on edit, just come here and click on edit again. Now we need to change some things here, like this one and this underscore here. Sorry, just change it, this underscore, change it to, let's see, I want to, let's type it, new top recharge. Okay, so I'm going to type it here too, new top recharge, and let's see, click on save changes. Alright, so it has successfully got change saved for us. So that's all we need to do. So let's come back to the website we are testing. Let's refresh it. It's still not going to go. Sure, just come to this this URL file. Just put in your website name directly, so it should work. Okay, so put since we have already changed it, so just put new top. Alright, new top recharge, and let's see. So it's going to work. Now your website name is going to be VTU, you know how it works, / new top recharge. Don't worry, you don't have any problem. I'm going to explain how everything works, because if you remove the new top recharge. So let's say I remove the new top recharge away from it, and let's see what's going to happen. It is not going to go. It is not going to go. But let's take care of this. So now that I've successfully done that, don't worry, you have no fear. Just follow me. So just come here and cancel this error. And then just install it again. Just click on install. So the error is not going to show again. So everything is going fine. As you can see, you are already installing our WordPress. So after the installation of the WordPress, it now go better. So now we have it here. So if you click on this your new website, so let me click on it. It's going to open up here as a new website. You can see it now. So when people just go to your name, let's say your name of the domain, this is what you're going to see, home page. They won't be able to log into their dashboard. We'll put in a link where they can log in. So guys, we have done this. Let me just close this tab. Now I've almost done with everything we need to get done with. Close this tab. We don't need this tab again. And okay, let me just leave that one the way it is. So now to be able to get access to the backend of a WordPress so that we can upload our file and everything goes fine, just click on this second one here. All right guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. If you're enjoying this video, just subscribe. Let's subscribe, like. If comment, I'll be glad to answer you. Then click on it. It's going to take you to the back end of your WordPress. So and the actual URL is your domain name / WP admin. So it's going to take you to this place. So all you have to do is to log in. So the thing automatically log me in. All right, not automatically log me, it log me in automatically. So sometimes it might just tell you to actually log in by yourself. So guys, we are now done with this part. Now the next thing you are going to do is just locate. So if you take to log in, just put in your login details for WordPress and you're good to go. The first thing to do is appearance. Just click on appearance, click on theme. So we want to upload a theme. Say you get upload a theme. A theme is a framework for your website, a backend for your website. To do that is very simple. Just click on add new. So when you click on add new, that theme, thousands of themes. So the theme I want to use is known as Cadence. Just search for Cadence. All right, Cadence. All right, this is it. Search for Cadence. When you search for Cadence, it's going to load. You see something like this exactly. So just click on it and click on install. So we're going to install the Cadence theme on our website and click on activate. So you get to install that and click on activate. So if you come to your website again, let's see. Let's close all this one. Let me just really put only our website here. You see that it's going to become this. It will come like this, but it's not yet beautiful enough, so you have to do other things we want to do. So let me close this tab. I'm now in this place. So guys, now that we are here, I've already uploaded this. So click on this amber button up here. So this is the amber button I clicked on, this one here. So when I clicked on it, I have to locate plugin. So click on plugin. All right, the other things you need to do about on this okay, let's click on plugin and click on add new. So other things I'm going to tell you as the time goes on. All right guys, so the next thing you're going to do is to search for Elementor. Just search for Elementor. So Elementor is a page builder we are going to use to be able to create the front end of our website. So you got, so search for Elementor. So this is the Elementor page builder. Just click on install. Click on install. So it's going to install. When you click on install, the next thing you are going to do is actually to activate. When it's finished installing, just click on activate. So guys, so this is going fine. I hope it is also going fine in your hand there. So now it's going to bring all this for you. Just come up here and it's going to tell you all this English. Sorry, it's an English. So let's click on activate. Let's click on activate again. I think that's already be activated. Did I mistakenly press back? Okay, it's going. So my my Elementor has been activated. So all this one, this hello dolly, you don't need it. This one too, you don't need it. Just click on this two. Okay, leave this one the way it is. Leave this one the way it is. This one actually comes automatically with the plugin. Then click on this button and I want to delete the one I selected. So click on OK. So they're both going to go off. So you get, now you are already putting your Elementor. The next thing you are going to do is to actually create an home page. So click on this button up here, click on page, click on add new. So you get, click on add. So when you click on add new, it is going to take you to where you can actually create your page. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is to create, just click on this cancel store, create an home page. So I'm going to call this one home. So that's going to be my home page. Click on home, then that is all you need to do here. The next thing I'm going to do is actually to click on publish. Let's publish it first. So click on publish again. So you're going to publish the home. Now that I've already published it, just click on this cancel, then click on edit with Elementor. So it's going to come up like this for you. So Elementor is one of the best page builder. So it's very simple. Seriously, just follow every step I'm showing in this video. You won't have any issue whatsoever. Okay guys, so I hope you are enjoying this video. If you have any question, don't forget to comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. And if you have any problem, just let me know. So guys, so now that we're in our Elementor, you don't need to do any other thing. So just watch me as I do, as I show you what you are going to do. Just click on this button here, this one here. Click on it to close this widget. So these are elements. Click on it, it's going to go off. Bam. Alright guys, so if you did not see anything here, alright, so what I'm going to do is click on these three dots up here and turn it to desktop site. So when you turn it to desktop site, it's going to load again, just trying to load everything again from scratch. Alright guys, it does not take so long, just few seconds, and it's going to go fine. Actually, it depends on your connectivity. Your network connectivity is very slow, it's going to go slow. So now this is what I want to achieve. Just click on this second one that looks like a folder. Click on it. So everything is always easy. Then click on my template. It's going to tell you that you do not have any templates yet. So just come here and click on this. Let's see this one here. Click on it, which means import. Then when you have clicked on import, click on select file. You know, I've already given you templates. Then click on download, locate where your download is, and you've already extracted it. Just come here and search for, let's see, home. Is there anything like that? Home page. Okay, because I've already extracted it. Wow, this is going to be very, very good. All right, so this is it here, VTU home page. So I'm going to just select it and click on enable and import. So it's just going to do everything like this. It's actually taking in the VTU home page here. Then click on insert rather. So when you click on insert, everything on the home page automatically is going to just come straight to your website. So it's actually making everything here. So you don't need to design anything. It's a template. I've already designed it for you. So you just paste it there. You can also do some little editing to suit yourself. Guys. Okay, it's actually willing to get things done. So let's see what's going to happen. Is bringing in everything that I've designed for you. The template I've designed is bringing it in. So here is your website. Here is the front page of your website. So you get, so this is it. This is how it looks. You can edit anything if you want to edit. So if you want to edit anything, let's say for example you want to change this data plan to anything. Let's want to change for as low as, when you change this part, just click on it, use your button, it's going to appear. Let's say you want to put it to like 280. So that what you're going to, anything you want to do, just click on it and type. Literally that's all you have to do. So I've put in everything that needs to be put in, so you don't have any problem whatsoever. So your home page is ready, absolutely ready. All right guys, so now I've done that. The next thing I'm going to do is to actually click on this button here. This was the button I click on. I hope you saw that. I really hope you saw that. I actually click on this in the initial place and it brought me here. Just come down. You need to go down. All right, so we need to keep moving down. All right, so I want to locate where the publish is. I'm not seeing the publish. I don't know why I'm not seeing the publish here. So let us go back to our, okay, let's come back to our element. So I actually click on this dot up here to be able to come to this place. It was this dot I click here in the initial place and it brought to this place. So I'm going to click on exist to dashboard. So it's going to tell you that changes you made may not be saved. So I'm going to click on cancel. I need to save all the changes I've made. I really need to save it, and I'm trying to locate where the save is. Okay guys, so let's come back to our element. Come back to this element here. So this button, what I'm going to click on. and then I should go down. So okay, yep. So this is what I'm trying to find. You can see this place that they put publish. I sincerely hope you can see it. So this place that is publish, you have to publish it. You have to publish it. So you click on publish and it's going to hold. You can see it down there, it's holding, that's already published. So if you, for any reason you did not see the published stuff, just take your website up like this until this part goes up. There's a part that was disturbing the publish. All these ones here. I don't know if you can just if this is going to allow me to. Okay, let me bring this. You can see this part, you just have to go off. So let it go off, just swap down and it's going to go off. You can publish it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to exist back to your dashboard. So just click on this button, this three dots here. When you click on the dot, then click on exist to dashboard. So our home page has been done for us automatically, and it is sweet, right? It is sweet. So we have done the home page. So the next thing we're going to do now, click on this home. So you can actually create another page. So let me just create another page. I think I have another page here known as contact us. So I gave you three templates: about us, contact us, and contact us, about us, and home page. So let's call this one contact us. Contact, your contact. Let me just call this on contact. Or all you have to do is just to place elements and you're good to go. Then click on you can do every other things you want to do, but those ones are not important here. Just click on publish. Let's publish the page first. Click on publish again. Then now that you have actually successfully published the page, just click on edit with Elementor. So all you would upload a template and you can edit it if you want to, and it's good to go. You have no problem whatsoever, guys. All right, so everything is just going smoothly. I believe it's going smoothly at your end there, because I'm actually enjoying teaching you guys all this. So just come the same way we did the initial one. Click on this folder and then just come here and click on this arrow here, which means import. Then it's going to look like this for you. All right, so it's actually loading something else for me. Just click on the import again. All right, so guys, just go back to the reason why the thing misbehaved was because just click on this part, click on this part. So when you click on this part, it's going to take you back to the library. Click on my template. So click on my template. First click on my template, then click on this icon button install, then click on select file. Okay, then click on download. So this one is contact us. So let me search for contact. I think I named it contact us. Okay, contact. If you cannot find it, just search for it. You can see, look at it here, contact us. So it's going to upload. Remember that we have already unzip everything. That's how everything is coming like this. So this contact, just click on insert. So I'm inserting the template. So all you have to do is just to edit it, just the same way I show you the other time of editing. Alright guys, I'm really enjoying this tutorial. I sincerely hope you are enjoying it as the way I'm enjoying it. Okay, so everything is going smoothly here. I believe everything is going smoothly at your own end. So you can see everything just came in. So you can just change anything you want to change. Like for example, you want to change your phone number, change your address, just click on the address you want to change. You can increase it like this. Just use your icon button and you can, let's say for example you are in let's say this one is in Lagos State. Let's just assume it's in Lagos. Let's write Lagos State. It depends on what you want to do. I've already done everything that is hard work for you. Then you want to edit your phone number. Let's say you want to change your phone number to another number. Just edit it and put anything you want to put. Then you want to put your email just the same way. Now for this one that has to do with map, what you have to do is just to come and locate, like there'll be like a pointer stuff here. So all I'm just doing is just misbehaving. Just click on it once. When you click on it once like this, you get, just try to reduce the whole everything with your hand. Then okay, click on the map itself. Map itself. Now this map itself, it has an icon stuff I want you to change. So when you click on the map and it has been like this, just zoom in this other side. Is this other side I want you to zoom in. But if it's not working for any reason, I don't know why, sometimes it becomes so stubborn, like the way it's stubborn now, just locate this location, change the address of this location. When you change the address of this location, it's automatically going to change on the map. It's just simple like that. So let's go and save it. Remember I told you want to save it, you have to come down. So if for any reason the thing is not going down, you have to play around with it until it finally come down. So here is what I'm trying to do. Click on update. So when you click on update, you have successfully updated it. So let's do the last one, which is for us to let's see. I need to take away this because I need to do some other things, guys. some other things. Okay, so I'm using my hand to reduce the old screen so that I can locate the up here. So this is this three dot I'm trying to locate. Then click on exist to dashboard. Do you need, okay, let's update it again. Alright, that's updated. So before you leave any part, make sure you update it. Updating means like saving. You're actually saving it. So we have done down the contact us. So the next one I want to put here is the about us. So the about us is not actually you put the about us. It just depends on if you want to put it. So since I have it, let me also do it. I'm going to put in the about us. So I'm going to search the name about us. Sorry, about us. So click on the publish it. Now that's supposed to be published, just come here and click with edit with Elementor. Alright guys, so everything is going smoothly. I really hope you are enjoying this video. I'm trying to make myself to be as simple as possible, guys. Okay, now that you just have to wait for it to just finish loading, just do the same thing that we're doing for the other sites. Just locate this and click on this folder, then come click on my templates, then click on this arrow, this point arrow. Then all you have to do is just to select file, then locate the about us. So I already given you, so this is the about here, and just upload it and you're good to go. Then where is the about up here? This is up here, insert it. So when you insert it, it's just going to be the same way. Wait for it to just load. You can do some editing, you can add if you want to add, you can subtract, you want to subtract. As you can see, so far we are creating a full website without even using a laptop. All right guys, so like for example, this is my logo. Just click on this. You want to change it, click on it and put in your own logo. Just upload the logo. So it's very simple. Put in your logo and upload the logo. Click on it and you can see the logo here. So when you click on it, go to select file. Just click on select file, click on where your logo is, anything maybe after getting your logo, just click on it and put it there. Like for example, if this is the logo I want to put, this PNG, select it and it's going to go hold up like that. You can see it's rolling up for me. What I'm going to do, just come here and click on come down and click on insert media, and when I click on insert media, I see it has automatically changed. That's how the logo change. For that, then you can just leave it the way it is, and or you do the rest of the editing. Then click on update. As I already tell you, click on update, then come up here to these three dots up here to leave this place exist to dashboard. So I've successfully uploaded, I've created the about us page, the contact us page, and you can do other pages if you want to. So okay, that's the three things. So the next page I think you should do is the pricing. So I'm going to tell you a plugin you can use to do. I call it the table plugin. It's very simple and very straightforward. It's not a must you actually do that, but if you want to, you can actually do it. So guys, now that I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is come to setting, click on setting here, then click on general. So you click on general setting and let's go to our website. So our website name is this. The tagline is, change the tagline, you can change it to anything. So tagline is just like your slogan. Let's call it best cheapest, let's call it cheapest data plan ever. Cheapest data plan ever. Just leave it the way they are. Leave them. Anyone can register. No, leave it that no one can register. We'll take care of that registration later. Then click on save changes. So the next thing we are going to do now is to come to reading. Click on reading. You can see reading. So click on reading and change your display, your home page display. Change to a static page. Then select home page here, which is going to be home. Select home, and that's all you have to do. Just click on save changes. So you gap. So that part is very important, and that is all you need to do. Since on creating this particular website, that's all you need to do. So if I come to my website here and I refresh it, let's see the magic. Your website is going to be something exactly like this. So if you want to change anything, you can change if you want to. So this is how the website is going to literally looks like. So guys, now that I've done this part, so the next part I think you should do is for you to just put in your logo so that everything can look fine. Like for example, this is my own website here. If I just log out from the account, or better still, I decided to just go to the home page. I decided to do the editing and go to the home page itself. So I just click on the home page itself. So this is how my own website looks like. You can see my logo and every other thing. It's just the same website I just created for you. So these are the amber button. Now for this pricing, I'm end of this video, I'm going to tell you the table I need to do for the pricing. So if I forget to do the table, I just comment below so I can just give you a small clip on how you can do that. All right, guys, so let's come back to our own website. So this is the website we are creating. Hope you have seen it. So when you click on this amber button, you see the amber button also pop up like this. Now, this is the reason why you have this sample page is because we are here to create our menu. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to actually click on this. Let's see. Okay, not this one. So I'm going to click on what's that one? Let's click on this edit. Okay, this one's going to edit. It's the time to edit the page. I don't intend editing the page. What I intend doing, so let me come back to my website. Come back to your website, just click on this visit. This one I look like home. So visit site. You can actually make this you can actually make this a desktop site again, so that you can see some functionality. So now I make it a desktop site. So on desktop phone, on desktop laptop, this is how it's going to look like. So just come up here and click on customize. So when you click on customize, this is where I go to put other function of our website that we want it to do. Alright, guys, so it's going to pop up like this for you. It's going to do some small stuff like this. So everything is going to load. Just wait for it to patiently load. This is why it's taking a while, because I'm using phone, but we are getting the same functionality. So guys, all you have to do is just come here to let's say click on general. So you can change anything you want to change, but don't change anything. You just leave it the way they are. Oh, I have mistakenly cancelled this. So I'm going to click on customize again. I mistakenly cancelled. Sorry. Okay, customize. Okay, so it's just going. All right, guys, so just patiently wait for it, and then the next thing I'm going to do is, let's say you want to change the header for any reason you want to change it. So now this is a logo, so this is where our menu is. Everything is like that. So this is our menu. You want to change it, so the menu automatically just come up like that. So the next thing I'm going to do here is let's change the footer. So now let me tell you what the footer is. So when you come down here, you will see this part up. So this part is the footer, you can see. So let me just deal with this footer first. I don't like the way it's having WP whatever. So click on the footer, just click on it. Let me increase it. Click on this gear button that is there. So and just come to the side there. You can actually try to take care of that here. So let me see. Let's keep. I want to edit the copyright stuff. So if you move it, it's going to move. So you can see when I'm trying to move it, it's automatically moving. So I can try to move it to this place. So that's how it's going to work. So I actually I click on this edit. So I want to edit the content there. Then I'm going to click on this button here. Hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial, because I'm actually enjoying teaching you guys. So click on that. So when you click on it, you're going to have access to what is in that box. So this theme credits. So copyright the year, the site logo, then this theme credits, just change it to your website name, your name. Go. You know what we did was VTU2. So let me call it VTU, your website name VTU2. Then just reduce it like that. So it's going to change. All right, so it's going to change. I don't want to show you how the thing is changing. Why is this like this, man? Okay, guys, sorry, you can see it has changed to the year VTU2. So you can take away this site something away and leave it the way it is. Then just click on publish. So when you finish any changes, always click on publish. For publish means you are making it to be visible. You understand? So it becomes visible. So that's what you can do here. Or you want to do other things, you can do them if you want to. So guys, so that's what I want to show you in this place. Now if you want to put in your logo, like for example, put in this logo, click on the logo itself, then you see this option is going to appear for you. So you can select a logo. Let's say I want to put the logo, or the logo I've been using so far. This logo, I've already uploaded it, so all my images going to appear for you. So you can do it if you want to do. Now I'm going to just click on select. So I can decide to copy it if you want to. So let me just leave it like so, because it's too big, or you can decide not to copy. So I'm going to click on copy image, just to make it to look more appealing. So it's going to come like that for you. So the next thing you are going to do it is to actually just change this layout to only logo. Change layout to logo, so only your logo is going to appear. So choose a beautiful logo, of course. So this one just for an example. So you can reduce the logo size if it's too big. Just reduce the size to suit you. So I think that one is too big. Then click on publish. So that's how you can actually change the logo. If you want to change the logo, then click on back. You can do any other things you want to do here, definitely. So Then now that you have done that, just come and click on menu. Then this is your menu. This part here is the menu. So you click on it from that place or click on it from this place. Then after I click on menu, just click on create new menu. Then call it, let me give it a name. Let me give it a name, primary. So primary menu, tick primary here too. Then click on next to create your menu. So when you click on next here, the next thing I'm going to do is to add items. So you click on add items. So you have to add items to your menu. So let me just do that. So the item I want to add to my menu, it is home. I also want to add about us and contact us, but I want to add something different which is not in all these things that I've done. And so I don't want to add this sample page. It does not make sense. It definitely does not make sense. So what I'm going to do is to come up here and click on custom link. So hope you guys can see this one, custom link. So I want to put the link that my customers can click on and they'll get access to the backend of the VTU script. So I'm going to click on this top icon here. Then the link I'm going to put is let's see, https / your domain name. So mine is VTU2 dot, so you put in your domain name .connect. So instead of you doing this, you can just copy it. It's simple, connect.nig.com /atd user. Let's call it atd users. So you get atd users. Let me check if that is correct. Let me check on that using my own domain. So when I click on login, so all right guys, so this way I'm going to copy. Okay, atd login, not user. I'm going to copy everything. So let me copy that. The reason why I try to confirm everything so I won't make any mistake. So let's come back to our website here. All right, so I'm just going to, I've copied that everything there. I'm just going to click on cut away, click that away and paste it. So this is what I actually paste in. So it's going to be the name of your website. So my own website name here is VTU2. Don't forget putting the name of your website. So VTU2 dot, so https column /VTU2 connectenergy.com /new top recharge /atd login. So this is what I put in. So you can just try to pause this video and locate what I put in. So my test link is going to be login / so it's still the same thing for login. Let's also call it login. Then click on login and click on add to menu. So you can see it as automatically comes here. You can see it here. Everything just goes smoothly. Now the next thing I'm going to put, is login. Let me see if my own let me just press back and see if I put another one. So login. So you can see it here. It's very straightforward. So we still need to do small editing. So let me come back to the one we are using. So this is my own live website, of course. So I'm using that one to just check how things go. Then when you have done that, just click. So the next thing you can actually put your WhatsApp group. If you want to just follow the same process to put your WhatsApp group. So I'm going to click on publish. I actually click on publish up there. So you want to put in more, let's say for any reason you want to put in more link, just this custom link. Let me close it. Just click on add items. Then let's say you want to put in your WhatsApp group name. Just go to your WhatsApp, click the WhatsApp group, copy the URL and put it here and call this place WhatsApp group and click on add to menu. It's going to automatically appear there. So guys, that's all we want to do here. Then click on back. We are done with that now. So the other thing I want you to do, I want to edit. I want to go to home page and do some editing to all these two stuff. So just click on close it. Close this your design you are doing. So if you click on this menu, you can see that these are the pages you have. You have home page, about us, contact us, and login. So that is that about that. So you can just close it. So these are your pages. So you could be like, so now I want to edit this home page because I want to change the URL of this get started here and login. Because if you click on it here, it's going to go to my own website, not your own website, because I copied the template from my website to this place automatically. So just come up here and click on edit with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. Automatically it's going to get edited with Elementor. So this Elementor site setting and the rest like that. Okay, so it's going to take you to your Elementor where you can actually edit it. So I just want to change the URL of the template. So please change the UI of the template, because if you not change the UI of the template and you press any of those buttons here, it's going to take you to my own website, guys. It will take you to my own website. So if you have any problem, please just let me know. If you have any issue going through creating your VTU website, just comment below. I'm going to try to iron out the issue for you and solve it for you guys. So it's just basically simple like that. So now that I am in here, so this one just keep loading. There's sometimes that it will just keep loading for some whatsoever. I mean this widget, and if this widget does not goes well, it's not going to go. The child is not going to go. So for example, now I have to change this get started button to something else. So I just click on the get started button, then click on it again, because I want to change the URL of the get started button. You can see this get started button. Just click on the button. I'm clicking on this. Okay. So when I successfully click on it, just come to this site setting, close it, because we actually click on site setting from the beginning. That's how the thing is like this. So let us wait for it to just finish loading the widget. And if for any reason it does not give us what we want, it means we have to refresh it again, because sometimes it happens like this. It has actually closed everything for us here. So what I'm going to do is to refresh the page. So let me refresh it. I want to refresh the whole everything again from scratch. I don't mean, when I say from scratch, I don't mean I'm going to do everything again. I mean just edit, just the team builder, the page builder. I want to refresh it so that everything can go fine. Okay, guys, this is going. Just ensure that, so if you want to do any editing, it's just the same way I've been showing you now, that you just do, and everything is going to go fine. So it does depend on the network of your phone, or the network of your device. Okay, guys, so let us wait for that briefly. Let me just pause it. So all right, guys, so now everything is moving fine. So just click on this button, this get started button, click on it. So when you click on it, something is going to pop up for you like this. So let me click. Okay, not this one. You can see this small thing that look like a pen here. So it's what I got to click on. So when you click on it, it should work. Wow. All right, guys, the thing is now it does not want to edit. I don't know why. Okay, the buttons are not editing. Let me try to take care of this for you guys. Okay, guys, so if what we did initially does not work, all you have to do is go back to the back end of your WordPress website, what we are creating, and click on edit, click on home and edit the Elementor. It will come back here. So now you can now edit all the icon in this place. So I want to edit URL, so I'm going to click on this pencil here and just come to this place and edit this link. So what they call is link. So I'm going to edit the link to my to our website link, definitely. So that is VTU2.connectenergy.com /. So you see all this there. Okay, this empty and leave it empty. So you see all this thing there. Just leave it the way it is. Don't change anything there. The only thing you change is this name of your website. So you get change name of website and leave the rest. So you're not going to be your website name / new top recharge / ACD sign up. So that's going to be how they can actually sign up on your website. So now you have done that. The next thing you're going to do is to just click on any part of the place. It's going to go off. So just come here and click on this login. Click on this button of login, then come to this side. All right, just come to this side. You can actually just play around so everything can come well. Then click on the login. The button is going to come up here. Then click on the button here. Just change the URL. I mean, just change the URL and leave the rest the way they are. So I'm trying to just play around with it, like sometimes it's misbehave, So I just click on this, it's going to pop up. So just change it to the name of your website. So just change only your domain name. So you are using VTU2 . So this is that. Then just leave it the way they are. Do not change anything. No, cancel. Just change only your domain name. Don't change the rest of it. Now you have done that, I think that's the only link that's available on the website that's going to take them to somewhere else. Just click on update. So when you click on update, we are now done. What did I say? We are now done with the designing of our website. So let me just take you to every other things that you need to know about your website. So now I'm done with that. Just let's close everything and we are good to go. So close everything. If you want to do more design, well, it is left for you to do that. So I'm just trying to close everything here and publish it. So okay, it's already published. Click on this three dot up here and exist to your dashboard. Okay guys, so we are now done with everything we need to do in order to create our website. So now let us log in and then we are good to go. So let me log into my website. To log into your website, just put your website URL and delete every other thing that need to be deleted. Okay, only your URL, and just click on send. So it will take you to the home page of your website. So this on how it's going to be on the laptop. Let me take it to how it's going to be on a mobile phone. So this is how your website is going to be on a mobile phone. So you get, just click on. So if a new person comes to your website, just click on get started here. It will take them to where they can register. So you can just register. Then let's see. So let's say I want to register as Daniel Adeoboye on your website. I put Daniel Adeoboye. I put in my phone number, then my password. Then this I want to select type. So we have the free and the agent. So you can edit it. I'm going to show you how you can edit this. So I want to select a username. So let me select this Williams and so change this password. Let me change this password to something else. This is a test stuff. So let me call this okay. So just click on register and the person is going to register like this. So pop up, they become register automatically. It take them in to their portal. So these are your customers going to have see their own portal and your website is already functioning properly. So how can you log in? So let me log out from this and let's log into your admin portal and tell you other things you need to do. So as an admin, your username is admin and your password is PPAA2021. So all right, password error, sorry. All right, so let's see again, admin. So capital letter P and capital letter P, small letter A 2021. So I'm going to put this password, I'm going to put the password I'm going to put it on the screen. You see it on the screen. And if you need any other thing, just contact me. So I'm going to tell you. So this is going to be the back end of your own website. So please, because I'm creating this video, so you have to change your password. Please change your password so that other people will not get access to the back end of your website. Please, again and again, change your password. So to change your password, just come to this update here. Click on this update. So you see everything you need to do here to update. So your old password, it is that's the general password PP capital P small letter A 2021. That's the old password. You can change to a new password. So I'm going to put in a new password which I'm going to change later again. Okay, I'm going to put in that password. You confirm it again and click on update. So your password becomes yours. So nobody else can actually get access to the back end of your website. All right, guys. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to come to now. These are of the things that you need to know as an admin. So we have the home. We have the second one is the thought of fund user. Here you can put the username and put on the amount that you want to fund. Now the funding can be both manual or automatic, but I always advise you to go for manual funding. The automatic is not really automatic because customer will have to send money to your PayPal, you get notification, and you will fund your wallet. You fund your customer wallet. So the best thing you can do is to do the manual, like the one I'm doing right now. Just put your your customer username and put the amount that they have sent to you, and it will reflect on their dashboard very, very fast. So you get very, very fast. So for example, here I register with Williams. So with Williams, let's say I want to Williams just send 5,000 naira to me. So I'm going to send funds order 5,000 naira, and I click on submit, and to tell me I've already load fund Williams. So if I want to deduct money from Williams account, maybe I overloaded him. So just put that and click on amount, and it's going to go off. So the next thing is user wallet. So you see all your user and see that. So the only user we have gotten here is this Williams. So when I click on view, I can view what is in his account and every other thing. So here we have notify users. See the first when you came into this website, you see something that pop up. So you have the pop up here. You can change this pop up to anything you want to. Now we have a notification. The notification is what will be rolling up. You can change it to anything you want to change it to. So you have view users, you can view. So immediately you change them, always update them, please. You can view the users you have. Then since you only have one user that always register, then you can verify transactions. So you can verify transactions if there's any transaction that's occurred. and you can update price list. Now this is where you can set your price list. Just leave them the way they are like this. This is a leave it the way it is. Then you can set in your price list based on this part. Now you can set your price list. So if you want MTN 150 MB to be 180, so just change them to the amount. So any amount you put there is what your user is going to see automatically on the front end of their website. So you get for Airtel 2, for airtime, for every other thing. Now this airtime, what you have to do is percentage. Like for example, if I should just change this one to, like, I want to give for 100 naira, I want them to enjoy 0.01 discount, and I click on update. So it's just going to do the calculation of what they are going to pay. So it means for 100 naira, when they pay 100 naira airtime, they are going to pay 99 naira. She get, or pay 99 naira. So that's what it means. So guys, like for example, if I just come to my own dashboard there, let me just show you the back end of my own website. I log in. Okay, logging in. So there's a little bit of network stuff. So let me log in into my own backend. You can see I've changed my password. So this is the pop-up I told you earlier that comes up for me. So when I just come to update price listing, so you can see this here. So this is what I put as my whole stuff, 0.01 and everything. So I've set my price. You can also set your price as you want. So let's go back to the website we are creating. So you set up your price and everything is going to go fine. Now the next one we have here is update bank. Now just put in your bank name. Let's say my bank name is Zenith Bank. You put in your account number. So let me put in my account number. You can send me money. Okay, let me just put any account number. Then your this one is bank name, Zenith Bank. This one is your account name. So Daniel, just put Daniel. Yeah, click on update. This is going to reflect at the front end of your website. Show you gap. Now the next one you're going to do is update / agent price. For every agent, now there must be a deduction. So now you have to be very careful of how much you are deducting for your agent here. So for this like MTN pricing, if you deduct minus 0.10, it means that they'll be getting it as a more reduced price. So you get at the more reduced price. So let me come to my own back end of my whole website here. Probably you can use this one as guide. So if you want me to give you a screenshot after you have gotten your website done, after you have done everything, your website is now running, I've now confirmed you send your website, so I can just send a screenshot of how I set my password, how I set my own password, how I set my agent. So let me just give you how it comes here. So update agent price list here. So I give them 0.04. It all depends on what you want to give them. It's not a must you give them what I give them. I can just give you a screenshot of how I set my own, and you can use it as guide for your own if you want to. Now okay, let me come back to the one we are using here. So the next one is deactivate or block user. As the name is deactivate or block user, you can deactivate them or block them. You can upgrade. So for example, you can see like this one as a free user, I can upgrade him to a premium user based on if you have paid the price for it. So I'll tell you you can do that. So you have the admin, downline and share. So all the admin downline and share is going to appear. It means that the people that make money. So the next one that is very important is API. You need to connect your website to an API. So please, I always advise you, just deactivate this pay stack. Just don't put anything in this pay stack so that people will not be able to send money to your pay stack account. Because for you to do this pay stack, you need to do some steps. But if you want to activate the pay stack, don't worry, just comment below or send me a direct message. I'm going to send you a video I've created on how you can get your live API, because by the time you do that on this video, it will take it extraordinarily long. So guys, just look, don't advise you to use is mega sub, and but just use mega. Our advice, use mega sub. Use this mega sub API. Use it for data and for airtime, and use simple data for data. So what did I mean? For example, I come to simple data. This is what I mean. So I have an account with simple data, because you actually have to connect API of bigger website to your own website. Because if you want to create your own website, you want to be the one to have everything from scratch. You have nothing. You should spend nothing less than 9 million naira to 12 million naira. But these people have the money, so you connect with them. So I'm logging into my one of my API websites here. So you just come. So what you have to do is just go to simpledata.com.ng. So I have it here, simpledata.com.ng. You can see their name is simpledata.com.ng. Then click on this their amber button here, click on developer API. Then just select this, you copy everything here. So I cannot show you everything here because it's secretive. Just copy everything here, then click on this button back, come to this place, and just locate where there goes simple data. Where is that simple data? And then paste it. Just copy, then paste everything there. Just paste it and click on update. So you have connected you have connected the API, connected your website to that bigger website. So any transaction that occurs on website is going to also occur on the bigger website. So now this is how you make money. For example, if you set your data for like 350 and you're getting on the bigger website for like 200 now, for example, it means you're making a profit of 150. So what customer does is that they'll come to your own website, they place order. Of course, when they have found their wallet, then when they place order, 350 will be deducted from their own account on your website. But in your own wallet on the API website, it's only 200 that will be deducted. So you have a benefit, a profit of 150. Now that 150 will still remain on your API wallet, but you can deduct it, or you can withdraw it, or you leave it there, keep accumulating. Then you'll be deducting the price, the amount from the amount that your customer is sending to your own personal account, because you're using manual funding to fund your customers. Let's say, for example, your customer wants to fund with 5,000 naira, they send you the money, then you collect that username, you fund them with 5,000 naira, they do transaction. Now every profit will be in your bank account, or it will be on the API wallet. Then from there you can withdraw to your bank account, or you just leave it there and keep making money. Whereby for you to fund the API wallet, just deduct the amount that the profit that already made, they put the rest there. So that's how it goes. So I believe you understand how this API work. Just connect. So you can also connect simple Jira API. But just for example, now this Megasub, just search for megasub.com.ng. You see them, register from their website, get their API as I've shown you earlier, and paste their API here and click on update. Then you are good to go. You have connected the two websites together. So no problem about that. So the next one is theme. Click on theme. So you can change the theme. Like for example, you can change the color. Like me now, I like using poppins for my fonts. Just poppins. I like using poppins. You can change the font if you want to, but leave it the way it is. And on this one too, just choose poppins. There, let me click on update. So when I click on update that one, I have to change these poppins again. So poppins is better. Then update it, so you can see the font has changed. It's now beautiful. So you can change this like this RGB. You can just go to Google and you can search for the RGB of maybe red color or any other color and paste it here. Just paste everything here and click on update. It's going to appear. So the next thing you're going to do is reverse setting. Okay, we have WhatsApp. So here, put in your phone number. So just delete it to this last place and put in your phone number. Let's see, my own phone number 803405.167. Just put that. Then WhatsApp group, just create a WhatsApp group and put it there and click on update. So that is good and straightforward. So the next one is reverse setting. So when you click on reverse setting, if you want people to become an activated user, they become an agent on your website, they have to pay a certain fee. So this is the fee. You set the fee here for them. And if for referral, so if they refer somebody, how much do you want them to earn? So like for example, I want me as the admin that referred them to earn 800 naira, and the people that referred them, like the free user that referred somebody, happens to become an agent, to earn 200 naira. It depends on your setting. You can set it, you can increase the price to 1,000 naira. So before they can become an agent, they have to pay 1,000 naira. So that's how you have to do. Now bonus for agents referring somebody that is not bonus to user agent referring a user. Please leave this one as 0 and click on update. So that's how things go. Then the next one is payment gateway charge. So just leave this one, just leave it the way they are. Then click on switch API. Now you can switch from one API to another API. You can register on all the API. So if one API have problem, like for example, there's a time I was using one API and they had one problem, I also switch to another API. My customer will not get affected. So they won't get affected. That's the advantage of even having the VTU script over other VTU script, because this one you have the opportunity of switching by just clicking, no need of coding. For example, if I register on Simple Data and I say that they have a problem, I'll just find my wallet on the Megasub, for my API wallet there, and then they are good to go. The fund that wallet is very simple. When you go to the website, you see how things run. Alright guys, so you can begin to switch for Airtel, for any network, and switch for data, and you are good to go. So guys, that's how you do that. The next one is manage services. So you can enable and disable. So when you disable, it means to not show. When you it will show, but they will not have access. You can hide one service and open the other service. So the next one I have here is view or download. You can view everybody on your website and you download it. Then with server settings, just leave the way the server settings are. So guys, so that's all you need to know about this. If you have gotten value in this video, you can just let me know. I'll be glad to answer you if you have any questions. So please, before you can start making money on this platform, it's very important you market your platform. Tell people about what you are doing, and in a little while you begin to make money. All right guys, I look forward to see you in the next video. If you have any question, comment. I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you.